I'm back. Okay. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe and notification button. I upload videos about once a day, sometimes a little bit more. I'm filming with a little bit of a different backdrop here. My hair is different. It's just out of the shower craziness. Got me some little a headband to put my hair back. So anyhow, so I was watching a Jaclyn video about, you know, semi-glamming it up. Excuse me while I realign all my things, because we're gonna need them. It was about glamming it up a bit. I've kind of changed my desk around, and I'm playing around with which direction I'm gonna be filming in, and get you a little bit closer there. So anyways, I was watching this Jaclyn video yesterday, and it was about a glam look but fast. We're really not going for glam. Today's a Walmart day and a TJ Maxx day, and I need to run into Ulta. I'm happy with some things that are on sale, and I'm gonna get my girl Liz a palette she's been looking for that she's not been able to find in her area. So, got a few things to do today, but first thing we're going to do is put on foundation. This is very different for me because you guys know I don't do foundation first, right? I go right into my eyes, but we're not really going to do eyes today. So, this will be different for us. I'm going to try a few different products because I'm trying to use my use up carousel that I purchased that will be in some videos you will see this week. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is this Veil primer from Hourglass. So it's just a little sample, and it gives me nothing but trouble, which is why I don't use it that often, because it likes to just not work in the pump. So I'm gonna just unscrewed it, and I'm going to, what a mess, what a mess. We need to get a different little table. Sarah Kay, I need one of those TV trays that you collect at the yard sale. If you find me one, get me one, girl. Alright, so this is the Veil primer. I have this, but I also have the Angel primer from NYX. It looks something like loose. This primer here is a definite dupe for the Hourglass. I will not buy the Hourglass again for the pure fact that the pump doesn't work. But it may be because it's almost empty now that I see it against the light. Duh. Alright, so we're going to put a little bit of that on to smooth the skin. And I'm going to go in with just a touch of this glow starter. It is a, it says it's a moisturizer. So we're not going to do that. Ignore that. Alright. So I have put a couple of foundations in here that I am interested in using up. Actually today I think we're going to go with this Wet n Wild cushion foundation here. I really am enjoying this. I just kind of put it on a sponge. Picks up the product very well. This is a dry sponge, so then I just pat it all over my face. Not going for full coverage today. I just want to even out my skin tone. And yeah, if you have not picked this up yet, you should. It's really good. Perfect little thing to use with it, the sponge instead of the sponge that it comes with. I just don't like those little sponges. I'm so used to my lighted mirror. You know, my real bright one from Simple Human. And right now I have on this, I'm using another one. Impressions Vanity. I liked it at first, but dang. It is not that bright. I'm just putting some more in my nose and kind of up through my forehead, just because I am a little bit red today. I'm thinking about going and getting spray tanned because I want a tan and I'm not laying in a tanning bed anymore. Not doing that to my skin. Okay. We are gonna, and this is not exactly how Jaclyn Hill did it, so please forgive me. Get me some concealer. I'm using the Born This Way concealer. I'm trying to use this up. I have light medium. I just think this is a little bit too light for me. I'm sorry, too dark. But we'll work with it. What I liked about this Jaclyn Hill video is that I'm going to cover up my eyes some, my nose, my forehead. What I liked about this video is I could relate to it. I don't think I need to use the same product she's using, but in here. But I just think that it's a great idea, and I have never tried to do this. How's that? How's that, little buttercups? I'm going to the post office today and mailing the rest of everything. because I'm going to go in with this NARS crystal powder. You guys know I've almost used this up. I've really been leaning on my Hourglass and loving it, but I want to use this NARS up. I'm going to set everything down. Remember, pat it in. Don't swipe it around. It'll move your foundation and your concealer. Like I just did. See, I just swiped. It's such a habit. Okay. So I have, you can't tell, but I have this new jumper on. I got it at Walmart because you guys know, like, I'm not a clothes snob. And, yeah, I'm really liking it. Alright, we're going to go in with the Hoola bronzer. And we're going to... We may have to go back to our old mirror. So, did you see on Trend Mood that they've announced the dates for the, this is definitely not a no makeup look. They've announced the dates for the Sephora sale, which is exciting because I was going to go to Sephora tomorrow because I'm going to be in Northern Virginia for Easter, and I was like, you need to get some stuff. But now we just gonna wait till the sale comes. 2 weeks, my loves. They're gonna do it over 2 weekends. I think my hair, one side curls and one side wants to be straight, and it's a frizz ball. Which is, now you know why I wear it on top of my head all the time. Anyway, so I'm going to hold off on this whole Sephora thing. Alright, so when Jaclyn Hill was filming this video, she showed a technique using a fan brush to put your blush on. Like it, and I haven't tried it yet, so like it kind of makes it more natural looking, and I liked it. She was using a MAC blush, I'm using California from Benefit. Let's see. I don't have a highlighter in here for Use It Up. I'm going to have to find one. I am going to go in with this very soft, it's called Peach Kiss from Makeup Revolution. It's very inexpensive. It is a huge pan. And I'm going to go in with that. That's my highlighter. Oh, I forgot a step with my bronzer. We'll get that back out. Putting a little bit on my nose, on my upper lip, up here. So what she did instead of doing eyeshadow, I'm not gonna put that in there. What am I talking about? Not doing. What she did for her eyeshadow, or should I say for an eyeshadow look, was, see in a second. She took a blending brush and she took her bronzer and then she kind of just went into the crease with it just to give her eyes some dimension. Kind of make all that look together. So she said that she doesn't normally put lashes on. She did in the video, but like this is her go-to, go out, boom, 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 run errands, whatever look, because she doesn't leave the house without makeup, and I get it. I totally get it. So I'm not going to put any eyelashes on. I'm just actually going to do a little bit of brow work and some eyeliners. Actually, I'm not even going to do that. So actually what she did is she went in with a clear brow gel. She didn't even put a pencil on her eyes. I don't have any clear. I have my Gimme Brow though. So I can just, I'm pretty sure, I don't know, but it looks like her eyebrows are microbladed, which I want to have done as well. There's a girl I know that is in the middle of getting training to do it, so I'm thinking about doing it because I don't really have any eyebrows. Alright. Yeah. I don't know. Should have gone in with a pencil. Alright, and we're going to go in with some mascara. We'll use this Ciate London. You guys know I'm loving this right now because it's almost dead. Actually, I'm just going to do my top lash. I forgot a step. Wait till my eyelashes dry. Hope everybody's got fun things planned for their Saturday. I'm actually going to put this up as a bonus video tonight. Bonus score! I know you guys think I'm crazy. She's crazy. Oh yeah. That girl is crazy. Oh yeah. What do you guys think? This is pretty natural. Remember, it was Beta or somebody was asking me for a natural look. This is about as natural as I get. So, I'm going to do my eyeliner and it's going to be late to this video. But, we are going to do it and I'm going to show you something. She actually said she does this. She gets up in the morning. And when she gets up in the morning, she puts on eyeliner. I am going to put on Oh, I'm sorry, guys. That eyeliner is going in the trash because it's not working. I love the feel of throwing things away. How do you like me now? What's this? Alright. I know I have an eyeliner open. Susan, you know you have one. You always have an eyeliner open. That is not, it's not black. It's black though. This is actually from the Christmas collection, but it's black. It's their feline. So what I'm doing is I'm not necessarily going in my waterline, I'm going on my tight line above, just above my lashes, and kind of blurring that out a little bit. So she does this, like I said, every morning when she gets up, because it makes your eyes look wider. Like without eyeliner, she's like, ugh. She's like, I can't get it. But later on, she'll go in with a Q-tip. And what's in her waterline still, she uses a Q-tip, pulls it down just a little bit wet Q-tip, and rubs that off so it even looks bigger. I will do that at some point today. Alright, now we are gonna, that is not what I'm looking for. I got a new lipstick. No. This is what I hate about my Macs. No. I don't want you either. No. What's happening? There you go. So I got this new red. She actually put on a red liquid lipstick, matte. It's not what I want today. So I got this new lipstick in Ladybug. It is the Luster line, which, as you guys know, is a little bit sheer. And there you have it. So this is my shot at the Jaclyn Hill video. I will link that video down below so you guys can see it. Yeah, and tell me what you think. Alright guys, have a great Saturday. I love you so much. Mwah.